What's up, guys? We're here at Texas Paintball.
Why always wait till the last game to do that?
Yeah,
I had to put the last game at the beginning.
I was like, that's TDM, not capture the flag.
And I had the wrong gun in that too.
Right here. What's up, guys? Today me and my friends are playing at Texas Paintball in Jonestown, Texas for the first time. It's a large facility with 8 different playing fields and a nice pro shop with good supply. Today is also my friend's first time playing Airsoft, so he's following me around quite a bit. The current map is Sawmill and the game mode is Deathmatch. I don't know my way around or where the enemy spawn is, so I'm not really sure where to be looking. The first guy I see hits a nice shot on me that goes right into my mouth.
Hey! Look at this. Caught in my mouth. Holy shit. Just got a BB in my mouth.
Oh, shit.
Good job.
Yo, I just got a BB in my mouth. Like I had to spit it out. What?
Where's your mask?
I didn't want to wear the goggles. Is my lip swollen?
No.
No?
A little bit. It's starting to get there.
I don't know where to look, bro.
I don't know where to look either. They're like, come from like that way.
I decided to sit a little further back and try to figure out where everyone is. The building I died in is just ahead at the arrow. This didn't work out well for me as I quickly received a BB from across the field right on the GoPro. This time, I decided to run right and push up into the woods with my friend who was up ahead of me.
Ooh, he's scared.
What's up?
And there's someone in this house over in front of me. I don't know if they're freezing or not. I just keep seeing their head through the window. Inside.
Oh
that
yeah,
middle
in
building.
this building.
Yeah, I don't know who it is.
I'm shooting.
Oh, shoot him. I'm with you.
I got him.
Traded. Then he like hides. My finger hurts so bad. So fuck you. I already go into this.
Okay, right up here at these buildings.
I'm about to go through the woods, low-key. I'm gonna try to do some sneaky shit real fast.
Have fun. Don't go too far, you'll be out of bounds.
I don't know if I'm playing next round. My finger fucking hurts really bad. Huh? Now somebody shot me in the finger and it went into my finger.
At this point, I see this person laying prone in front of me. I'm unsure if he's a teammate, but I know he doesn't see me, so I just look for a few seconds. I quickly realized it was my friend who pushed up, and I direct my attention elsewhere. For the next game, we just switched sides. Since we now have a little bit of an idea where the other team will be, we decided to play inside the buildings.
Aiden, you going left?
I'm following you. I'm on your ass.
Oh shit. Way right, way right, way right.
Yeah, I see. Probably over the hit. Is there a wall we can get
I
behind?
want to go to the other side. Careful for the windows.
You're good, buddy.
Oh, you can go upstairs. No, I'm going upstairs.
This stupid ass staircase is full of hard shit. It takes a delay, that's why. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, he's out.
I don't know where they are.
I hear shooting over there.
Oh, that's a. Oh, no, that's an enemy. That's an enemy.
Right there. What have you got? You want me to
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Hi.
There's a whole fucking roof under you, bro. What are you talking about?
Big tree right there?
Yep.
Alright.
Hold on, I want him to peek. I want him to peek. Oh, he sees us. He sees us. Blue car now?
He's now by the, I think he's on that wood pile.
What's that blue car over there? Blue car on the right. Blue and white car, Clark.
The white one?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it. What's up, he's there?
The dude we were shooting moved over there.
Alright. He's pretty good. I'm moving back over here.
I think I got him. Nice.
Cool. Walk me over there. Thank you.
NANI?
There's one guy in this white car. He said he wants to sit. Hey, what's your right there? Nice. It's yours. Got him. Good shit, good shit. Oh, there's two. I got two. Even better. I love it when fucking sniper, dude. That's game. That's game. Look at that.
The next game is on a map called Ghost Town. It's a very CQB semi-auto only map. We are playing team deathmatch with unlimited lives, so basically no winners or losers, just shoot each other.
Damn, they're closer than I thought.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hit me in the fucking dick.
Wanna go that way?
I'm gonna go right up the middle here.
I bet. Oh wow, I should have barricaded.
Bro, low-key, we might be able to get up to the next building.
Don't work your
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
We're going on top.
No,
I'll shoot it. We're going on top.
you can go if you want.
Watch your back.
Is there any windows on that side?
My bad. Sorry.
I got Bondo, man. Oh shit. Where? No, it's Nani, bro.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I don't like that either. I'm on you. Left side, left side.
Oh, very good, buddy.
So, I know I said no winners or losers, but we had them pinned down pretty far back and multiple attempts to push up were shut down by our team. I think it's safe to say that if we were playing for lives, we would have won.
Hey, we should all go that way, and I think the 4 of us together might be able to actually pull it out. And then if we can get into where we were there, be lit. We should try it at least.
You want to run down the red side?
I think we should all go down there and at least try it once. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But
If it don't work, that's a start for us.
you said what?
If it don't work, that's a start for us. That's our start gone. But I don't know. Yeah,
I think we could. I think we can do it though. Like we're not gonna push all the way through. We're gonna.
Yeah. This is OP as fuck.
Hey, right here.
Walk in the corner. Hey, we'll walk behind him. Remember what he's doing now.
I wasn't sure if this guy was in or not, because he was just walking along the side of the wall. I didn't want to be an asshole and shoot him if he was out, but all of a sudden he jumped behind cover and put his gun up. He seemed to be some sort of local celebrity at the field because a bunch of kids had his jerseys and the capture the flag map at the field had a flag with his logo. I spent a couple minutes firing pop shots at him, getting gun hits, hitting his shoes and sometimes his arm when he peeks, but he shrugged them all.
Okay.
Wow, fucking ricochets. Right in the face.
He hit my gun here. You can see he broke the sight guard, which I didn't notice until after the game. At this point I was annoyed because he had been shrugging hits, but I call myself out in a few seconds and confront him. Here's another replay.
Hit. I got you, bro. All right.
Remember guys, Airsoft is a sport of honor and integrity. If you don't call your hits, you ruin the game for everyone else. Thanks for watching.